Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve the problem of no SIM card. Even though it is in the phone, how to fix the no SIM card detected error permanently, 2026. Your SIM card isn't showing up here. Before we get to the explanation, as usual, my friend, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's begin with God's blessings. Before proceeding, first, you should always make sure you remove the SIM card and ensure it's properly inserted. There should be no dust or anything else, and the copper connector shouldn't be rusted or anything like that. Now, the first step, my friend, is to go to your phone settings. Then, find the word apps and tap on it. Then, tap on apps again. It might just be a glitch in your phone settings. To do something drastic, tap the three dots here, then tap on Reset App Preferences. As you can see, all default apps, apps disabled, app notifications disabled, and data usage restrictions will be reset to their default settings. If any changes are causing the problem, it will be solved. Tap on Reset. The second step, my friend, is to find the default SIM card app on your phone. Search among the apps, but if you don't find it, tap the three dots here, then tap Show System Processes to see all the default phone system applications. Look for the SIM application or type SIM into the search engine. As you can see, you'll find SIM card tools and SIM card management. Tap SIM card tools, then storage, then clear data, and then OK. That's the first step. The second step is to go back and tap SIM management, then storage, then clear data, and then OK. Now, my friend, go back and tap permissions. Make sure that if it doesn't ask for any permissions, grant them. That's the first step, my friend, or the second step, or whatever you prefer. The important thing is to move on to the next step, which is to go to Settings, then to Applications, or rather, Mobile Networks, and then to SIM card management. Most modern phones have two SIM cards, and they give you the option to disable, activate, and deactivate the card. Your SIM card is located here, for example. If you find it, I will enter the code. If it appears like this, it means the SIM card is good and working. If it appears like this, it means the SIM card is not activated. Activate it. If it appears activated, deactivate it. Then activate it again, my friend. After that, press the power button on your phone and then restart your phone. God willing, you will find that the problem is solved.